Hi guys, so I have a challenge, entry my birthday challenge, and this is from Mary. And I opened the top of it, but I didn't open it yet. Oh my gosh, look how pretty this is. Okay, so it looks like, okay, so this is, it says Slant Collections 4HT. So it looks like a laminated napkin. And then she stitched it together. How stinking cute is this, you guys? Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. Look. So all those napkins that I'm always wanting to buy, and I'm like, what am I going to do with it? Here's an example of what you can do with it. How cute is this? Okay, and look at this little card. Adorable. And it's from, her Instagram is Made by Mary Carmen, and I'll link her. And she said she loves sewing, so she made me a ribbon ruffle and a napkin pouch. I really hope this envelope brings joy to your day. Sending you a crafty hug full of glitter, Mary Carmen. Oh my gosh, how sweet is this? And then she put these little stickers in here. They're so pretty. And look at the bows. And look at this. Oh my gosh, you guys. I don't even want to open this. Look how cute this is. She wrapped it in paper. And the book is, of course, I'm looking at what the book's called. The book is called The Winds of War. How cute is this? Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Okay, wait. Oh no. Okay, wait, it's in a knot, so I don't want to. Let's see if I can just pull this down without ruining this. This paper is so cute. Oh my, and look, you guys, she put an acetate. There's acetate right here. How cute. And this is that American Crafts acetate that I actually have some of. What a cute idea. Look at this ribbon ruffle. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to be using this as inspiration too, because I'm a, beginner sewer. Look how cute, and this applique she put on here. She stitched this on here, guys. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at the bee. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, how cute would this be for everything? This would be cute as a bookmark. I love this. Thank you so much, Mary. And I'll make sure to link all of her info below. And then I wanted to show you guys the envelope without showing you guys her address. But look at this little cute, ticket washi that she put on here. This is so, 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 so cute. So yeah, so that is for Mary, and I will link Mary's info below. Thank you so much, Mary. Okay, you guys take care. Bye.